Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study anatomy effectively, step by step. We'll cover essential strategies to help you master this complex subject. First, focus on understanding the big picture before memorizing small details. Next, leverage visual resources like detailed atlases and three-dimensional models. Then, actively test your knowledge and review regularly to ensure long-term memory. Finally, connect what you learn to real-world clinical scenarios for a richer grasp. The first crucial step is to build a strong conceptual foundation. Start by getting a broad overview of each body region, understanding how different parts relate to one another. Identify important landmarks and their functions. For instance, when studying the upper limb, grasp the major bones and muscles before delving into every nerve branch. Use a good atlas, like Netter's, alongside your textbook to visualize these relationships clearly. Next, engage in active learning to truly internalize the material. Drawing diagrams from memory and labeling structures is incredibly effective. Create flashcards for key terms, origins, insertions, and innervations. Actively participate in dissection labs, observing structures firsthand. Many students find explaining concepts to a study partner, or even to themselves, helps to identify knowledge gaps and strengthen recall. Finally, focus on reinforcing and applying your knowledge for long-term retention. Implement spaced repetition by reviewing material every few days, not just before exams. Challenge yourself with practice questions and clinical case studies to see how anatomy applies in real-world situations. Discussing concepts with a study group can also provide new perspectives and clarify difficult topics, ensuring a comprehensive understanding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.